Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to georeference on QGIS. In this particular tutorial, we will be georeferencing an old image of a city in Kenya onto a base map. First step, we open QGIS, an empty project, and you're going to add a base map. I'll go to Web, QuickMapServices, and then I'll add an OpenStreetMap standard. If you don't have this web and QuickMapServices, you can just install it as a plugin. The next thing you're going to do, we will find an image of Nairobi, an old image of Nairobi that we can georeference. Then search old Nairobi map. We'll go to images, and then under tools, we'll select large so that we can have only quality images displaying. And then I had come across this map. This is a Nairobi street address map that was created in 1993, and it shows how Nairobi looked 32 years ago. We are going to download this image. I have the image downloaded, Nairobi 1993, and we're going to add this image in QGIS. I'll go back to my QGIS. Under our OpenStreetMap standard, we want to search for Nairobi. Choose the greater than sign, space, and then Nairobi. Nairobi County, Kenya. We want to add our image on top of this OpenStreet base map and see whether Nairobi has changed that much. As per the image and as per the data that OpenStreetMap displays, which is the map as at. We are going to add our image on top of this base map. We can use that image to show how Nairobi has changed over time. To add the raster image, we'll go to Layer, Georeferencer, and then here we have Open Raster and Open Vector. Since we have an image which is a raster data, we'll open raster, under desktop, georeference, select the Nairobi 1993 map. We have this map. We're going to add points that are easily identifiable, points that are common in both the JPEG image and the OpenStreet base map. For example, we have this roundabout, which has been there for quite a long time. The roundabout between University Way and Uhuru Highway. If I want to add this point, these points that you're going to add are ground control points. This means that we want this point to overlay on top of its actual point, georeferencing. I'll select the center of that roundabout, and then from Map Canvas, I'll find that roundabout on the OpenStreet base map. We have University Way, here it is, and we have Uhuru Highway, and this is the center of, then okay. I'll do that for several other points. 6 points would be good. Then I can select a second point, which is, for example, Waiyaki Way and James Gishuru. James Gishuru Road and Waiyaki Way. Okay. Airport Road and Outer Ring. Airport North Road and Outer Ring. Langata Road and Magadi Road. Juja Road and Outer Ring. And the last one, Forest Road and Muranga Road. Once we have that, we will go to Settings. Under this transformation, we want to select it to be, we have several options. Linear, it has uniform scaling, but no rotation or any other transformation. and only needs 2 control points. We have the Helmert one, which is the same as the linear one, but allows for rotation. For the polynomial one, it has a uniform share, but anything that is straight maintains as straight. But for polynomial 2, it allows for little shifting and little carvings of the image if it doesn't fit. The output file, you're going to save under your destination folder, which is georeference. And then resampling method, nearest neighbor, and compression, we are going to choose deflate. Okay. Once you're satisfied with this, you can start georeferencing using this play button. This is how our image looks after overlaying it. And you can see this is a continuation of Wayakiwe. Wayakiwe continues, progresses. You can also see that there's also this Airport North Road, which continues. We also have this Komarok Road, which continues. And you can use, and we have this Thika Road image, this Thika Road, which continues. You can use this to check what has changed over time. And that is how you georeference an image or a raster data on QGIS. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.